You're watching Bunny Dog.
It's morning and it's time to wake up. Which dress should I wear? I really like this dress. Let me wear it today. Okay, now it's time to brush your teeth. Good morning, Evie. Good morning, Mommy. What's for breakfast? It's your favorite, toast and honey. Yummy, yummy. So good. Evie, you have to get ready for a doctor's appointment. Doctor's appointment? Which doctor's appointment? Oh, I forgot to tell you yesterday. We're having a doctor's appointment. No! We have to go to stay healthy. Hi, we're here for Evie's doctor appointment. Hi, my name is Dr. Melissa, and I'm going to be examining Evie today. Okay, so see, we are recording it right now, okay? I'm going to check your heart rate. Okay, so now I'm going to check your eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Okay, Evie, you're a very healthy baby, and guess what? Your doctor appointment is over. You did a great job, and because you did a great job, I have something to give you. Because you were so good, I am going to give you your own little bouncy ball. Thank you. You're welcome, Evie.